So I did a soft look video and I posted that like 2 months ago, and since then my hair has been on a vacation and now we're back. Today is going to be the most detailed hair routine I have posted. We're going to be pre-pooing, we are going to be deep conditioning, and more like a protein treatment hair mask because this hair needs some love. She needs to come back. So I did a DIY oil with rosemary and moringa, and that is what I'll be using for my pre-poo. If you want a detailed video of how I made the oil, please leave a comment down below. I'll be there to reply. If you're new here, hey, my name is Mima. I do natural hair videos. I'm on a journey to waist length. I do lifestyle content, but not on this channel. My links will be in the description box. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. So this is my oil. In this we'll have, why can't I remember what is in here? I'm joking. We have olive oil, almond oil, rosemary, like you can see, and moringa. I'm gonna place my oil in the hot water so it doesn't lose its nutrients, and then we can get into our hot oil treatment. Whew. Hot oil. Let's get hot. I have tangles. Like a lot of them. It's just we're gonna have a field day detangling this. One thing about hot oil treatment is that it melts these tangles away, and that's what I'm looking forward to. But right now it's giving I got electrocuted. So my hair is now sectioned off, and I'm gonna take some water in this tiny mini spray bottle and spray this like down the section. Like, wow, it's been a while since I had my hair like this. So I'm gonna massage the water in, and also I'm gonna break this section in two so I can get into every strand of my hair. I'll put this away. I'm gonna finger detangle while I apply my oil on my hair. I'm focusing on my ends because that's where all the knots are. I'm also going to apply some oil to my scalp. So basically you want to cover every perimeters of your hair and your head, and make sure every strand gets coated and no strand is left behind. So now that it's all detangled, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I'm all done. I'm gonna cover it up and let it sit on my hair overnight so it marinates and all. And I'll see you all when I'm washing my hair. So I'm fresh out of the shower and this is what my hair is looking like. So I applied my moisturizer in the bathroom before my hair gets, dry. I just like to, lock in all of the moisture immediately after washing my hair. As you can see, my hair is all moisturized, and this moisture is going to be locked in for like a week before I reapply moisturizer, or so yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed to me, and leave a comment for me down below, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah. So I did a soft lock. We're going to be pre-pooing. We're going to be pre oh Jesus, stop shaking.